Commissioning your CPP lift onto your FSG gantry. First, place the portable lift on a secure and soft surface such as a bed or chair. Turn the lift on by pressing in the red tab. To extend the lift tape, press the down button on the membrane while providing tension to the tape. Ensure that the tape is being tensioned in a manner that activates the limit switch. Then locate the QRS hook into the reacher pole and tension the lift tape to open the QRS latch. Using the reacher pole, raise the hook and secure onto the trolley. Then remove the reacher pole and store in a safe place. Using the handset or membrane, raise the portable lift off the chair to a suitable suspended height. To attach the carry bar, hold the bar horizontally and insert the boss into the QRS quick release system hook. Once the red latch locks back into place, pivot the carry bar down to its natural position. To attach the handset, align the male connector on the handset with the female connector underneath the portable lift. Once aligned, push the handset into the connector. To secure, you must tighten the thread lock until it is tight. To mount the charger case, you must first find a suitable location on the wall. This should be close to where the lift is installed and near a main socket. Now use the charger case as a template to drill two 1/4 inch holes into the wall. Drill to the depth of the raw plugs. Next, insert the provided raw plugs into the holes. To fix the charging case, place it in position against the drilled holes and secure in place with the provided screws using a posy screwdriver. Now connect the correct plug type to the charging unit and plug into the nearby socket. Final setup. Turn the lift on by pressing the red tab upward into the on position. Check that the functions are working on the handset and membrane. Lower lift, raise lift, and emergency lower. Manually traverse the lift back and forth to ensure it is rolling smoothly. Check the pull cord to ensure all power will be cut in case of an emergency. Make sure to press the tab back in after checking the function. Place the handset into the charging dock for storage and charge. Ensure the handset is inserted into the charging dock in orientation as shown. Ensure that the lift is indicating charging. You may now move your furniture into position. Always refer to the commissioning manual for full details before any work commences.